Yeah, let's
Is that a good angle?
yeah, let's not talk about naked deck profiles either.
Pyro?
Yeah, sure.
Are we live? Oh my god. Snake Eyes. I feel like Snake Eyes should be an auto win on the die roll.
Yeah. We're gonna play Monopoly rules. You roll again.
Yeah, let's do it. But if you roll 3 doubles in a row,
You're
you
in
lose.
jail. You auto lose the match.
God damn.
I'll take first.
Alright, good luck, have fun.
Holy fucking shit. Holy fucking shit. I didn't see that coming. Probably because I had my back turned. Zombira the Dark.
Yeah, that card's big, right? And then loses
21
attack,
loses
attack.
200 every time it attacks.
And can't attack directly. Maya?
Yeah.
Draw.
Uh-huh.
Stand by main.
Yeah-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Graceful Charity.
Yeah, that's fine.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
My bad.
What you swear?
Book your guy.
Sure.
Swing.
Oh no! Our table! It's broken!
Set one pass.
And step on honesty.
No, again.
Our table! It's broken! Flip some Byra.
Yeah, the Byra Byru or the Byra Byri.
2000.
Yeah.
Good.
Draw.
Yep.
Stand by main.
Uh-huh.
Snatch, steal the blade or the Zombira. That's fine. MST the other set.
You got lucky, punk.
Summon.
My god.
And then normal.
Sure.
Battle.
Sure.
Hit for 9.
Yeah.
And then hit for 14.
Not hit for 14. He's 2000.
So 19 total on that BLS swinging. And then 14.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Damn, I can't even premature anymore. What the fuck?
Let's go.
Oh my
Game
god.
2.
To punk rock, little scene.
That was crazy. Right there, Judgment felt good for me because it just kind of put you in a range where if I made that aggro push, it worked out, and it did.
Right.
Boom. Game 2. Game 2. Good luck. Have
Yup.
fun. You're starting, I'm assuming.
Yup.
And Chaos Next Graceful is like way better than Pot of Greed.
Well, yeah. It's everything's essentially free.
Micah?
Yeah.
Draw.
Mm-hmm.
So, there's a Judgment down there. I guess use it.
You know it's it.
You don't need life points, it's fine.
Life points are a resource.
Resource that I'm about to run you out of. Go ahead.
No, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Battle.
Mm-hmm.
Wop.
He does have some wop, don't he?
Wet ass prayer beads.
Oh. Jeez. I'm gonna book his prayer beats. I hated that.
Attack. You fucking bitch. Imagine if we both discarded a card because of that. I'd be ringing fucking Don's loops all day. Go.
Every day. Draw. Stand by me.
Yeah.
Effect.
Sure.
Attack.
Oh, wrong one. Dagaratsu.
Yeah. Means 2 set. Metamorphosis.
Yeah. It's a level 1. Motherfucker.
Prio, target your guy.
Sure. I'm still gonna ring it.
Alright, the guy also die, right?
Yeah. Because it'll equip, and then ring will destroy them. Both take 0.
Pass. That's a good spot for you to get to ring since you have no life points.
I mean, that's
so it's nice
pretty much the whole reason I blew it there. Premature.
Yeah.
Kiku.
Shit.
Oh, let's see here.
God damn that card.
Attack for 18.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's so good.
It's gonna be. It's gonna be these 2.
Alright, that's what I was thinking would be the most optimal ones too.
Go ahead.
Woe is me. Tsukiyomi, flip.
I'll go 900.
Pass.
Draw. Woo!
Yeah. Dang it. This game is getting out of control for me.
Yeah, it really is, Rhoda.
Yeah, it felt unlosable for a second.
Yeah, it really did.
And then the premature was like, oh,
the top
you
deck
thought.
premature was kind of fire.
The card's really, really strong here. Kaiku's so good against, like, not only chaos decks, but just, like, every deck. Just, it gives you grave control, and it's like a little floodgate.
Battle. 38.
There are cards I can draw to put me in a
We're going to
advantageous
banish
spot.
the Sukin Thousand Eyes.
Yeah. This can only do monsters, right?
Yeah. It's just 2 monsters.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's one of the cards that can help me out here. Set.
Yeah.
Meta.
Sure. You gonna pry take something?
Yeah, the Kaiku.
Still gonna book your Thousand Eyes.
Alrighty, who needs them? I added the Kaiku. Pass. Dang it. Yeah.
Battle.
Yeah.
Attack.
Hit for game. This was the card in hand.
Hey.
And, gang.
I couldn't summon it.
Me neither. All my fodder happened to make its way to the banish spot. Game 3, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Dang, that went. So when I did the play for the Thousand Eyes, the reason I made it instead of just setting the Faith was because it guaranteed the Light and Dark engrave. And then you prematured and got rid of my Light and Dark. I was like, I fucking hate it here. Oh my.
See, the problem with this deck is that we're only playing 1 Chaos monster, and our Light to Dark ratio is like 6-5, not counting the BLS. So with the BLS, it's 6-6.
I play only 2 Chaos monsters, I think. I think I play 1 BLS, 1 Sword.
We just play 1. It's more like Warrior Toolbox, but hey, here's a BLS to win the game.
Yeah, it's a nice push.
You can just choose.
I'll go first.
So you're kind of dumb if you don't.
Maybe I want to OTK you.
Graceful, discard 2 cards.
Pass.
Draw. Draw some Kaiku.
Yeah. I hate this card.
Attack for 18.
Get rid of it.
Fuck you.
I don't want that in my life.
Cards in hand?
5.
Sure. Go ahead.
Standby phase.
That's you. Ooh! Ooh!
As a mighty grip, I don't really care what you hit, to be honest.
Fuck yeah. You're right. We're gonna hit the breaker, honestly.
So that back row matters.
A little bit.
Summon Azura Priest.
Short.
Attack.
Sakura too.
That's fine.
So it's Meta Snatch, Sook, and Faith.
Pass. I'll leave it face up until an interaction occurs that I would have to stop. 15's fine.
Go ahead. Stamina phase. See, I want to say Tsukiyomi's the right thing, but at the same time, I don't want you to have Thousand Eyes access. So we're gonna shuffle back to Faith.
Activate Snatch Steal.
Sure, I'll take 15.
Summon Tsukiyomi.
Short. Mandatory book, yeah. That'll come back to my field.
Not if it gets booked. If it gets booked, this falls off. I believe I keep control.
Alright. I want to double check that after this game.
That's fine.
Sure, I'll take the 26.
Yeah. Pass.
Go.
I'm trying to think of how to explain why I keep control, but I can't. Did I shuffle? Or did I just throw this on top?
You just threw that on top.
Alright, I'm gonna put that back in shuffle real quick. You wanna cut?
Yeah. Still gonna draw the fucking faith.
I'd be fine with it.
Still do the fucking faith.
Yeah.
God damn you. Sure, yeah.
Take 15.
How?
Oh yeah. Go ahead.
That's a how, motherfucker.
Go ahead.
Draw.
Sir, yes, sir.
No, something.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Draw, stand by me.
Mm-hmm.
Souk set.
Short.
Here you go.
Short.
And then put this to defense.
Flip, suck.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the sucker.
Okay.
Pass. I didn't want to attack there and play into like a mirror force hitting my Tsukiyomi.
Good.
Battle. 900.
No.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ring the Warrior Lady.
Oh no.
Her table! It's broken.
I don't like Yu-Gi-Oh! Sundays. Don't lick my leg, you weird dog.
18.
Yeah. What would you like to banish? I got 2 lights and a dark.
Probably the 2 lights, honestly. Because these are a lot harder to come by in your list.
Yeah, especially with Azura Priest being one of the
3
lights.
Asura,
It
2
returns to
Faith,
hand.
and what other lights are you even playing? You're not playing Thunder Dragon.
I don't know. I think that might be it.
Yeah, so the lights are the right call there. Go ahead.
You have 1 in hand?
Yes, sir.
So card economy wise, I'm like blowing you out the water right now.
Right.
I'll book that and hit it. Go ahead.
Back row.
Dang, yeah. 2K.
2000.
Dang. Thing that sucks is like Souk is just a clean out to that card, but it leaves the field, and so if I don't have a trap to back it up, I could die the next turn.
Yeah.
My guy?
Yeah, depending on what I draw. Because I can't.
I'll book it.
Okay.
Crack it.
Because I can't draw
Set one
into
pass.
a swordsman right now.
That's fine.
So it goes Lug, Sasuke, and 2 more of them. Where to grab Zalug?
15 defense is a problem. Just setting it?
Yep.
He's afraid of the back row. My guy?
Yep.
Draw, stand by me.
Yep.
Knock.
Fuck! Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah, that's fine.
Effect.
This one?
Yeah.
Booking.
Sure. Okay, speed dueler.
I booked the breaker. That is a speed duel interaction.
It is. Pretty much every one of
Draw.
Sean's videos I've seen, a breaker's been booked. Fuck you, dude.
Effect to draw.
Yeah, card economy wise, I think you have me beat, but I think I have
Hit.
this on the rails for right now.
Go ahead. Oh, dang, you can afford it. Oh, fuck. I'm honestly probably fine with this happening to me.
Because now you just, yeah.
I know you don't have any cards, so I can put the pressure on. Flip, draw, summon. Should be game. 1914.
Yeah, fuck.
Good match.
Match.
That was
Hell
a
yeah.
fun one.
Fucking love meta matches.
Yeah, that was intense.